press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, in this class just we are going to know how to represent the 3D shapes on a flat surface. In our previous class we know how to cut the 3D shapes and how to get the nets from it. Just here there are two kinds to represent the flat 3D shapes on a flat surface, that means two-dimensional. One is oblique sketch, second one is isometric sketch. In isometric sketch we will use isometric dot paper, and in oblique sketch we will use box exercise paper, box square paper, or just I am using here graph. Okay, here what is oblique sketch mean? An oblique sketch does not give any oblique sketch. An oblique sketch does not have any proportionality aspects but it indicates all necessary objects in three-dimensional shape. What is oblique sketch means? It will not give any it is not a proper sketch for the given 3D shape, but it will give all flat surfaces, all necessary objects, height, length, appearance for the given 3D shape. Oblique sketch, it is not a proper one, but by saying that one we can tell what is these appearance of the 3D object, we can justify. And in isometric sketch we will use isometric dot paper. In that dot paper just proportionality we can take proportionality. It will give the proper dimensions for the given three-dimensional space. That means exact proportionality, 2:4 ratio, just all the buildings and that all we can represent through that isometric sketch. Okay children, just I am telling now how to represent a cuboid in a in a graph sheet. Okay, here in behalf of this we can take a squared paper also. Here I am giving an example from oblique sketch. See here children, just I am representing here one cuboid of length 5 centimeters, breadth 3 centimeters and height 1 centimeter. Okay, length 5 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter, height 1 centimeter. Here just we have to take 5 boxes. For each box will get one unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the height, what they are telling? The height of the cuboid is 1, and now breadth 1, 2, 3. First I am taking one rectangle here. See here. And then height of the cuboid is 1. We have to take here like this, and then see here, this is a cuboid of length 5 centimeters. Just I am taking here 5 units of length, and height 1 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. Just I am taking here 5 centimeters of length and breadth of 3 centimeters 3 centimeter and height as 1 centimeters. In oblique sketch, here this is cuboid, that this is only 1 centimeter here it is giving, that's why I am representing 1 centimeter through this box diagonally. But sometimes we can't represent properly in oblique sketch, but in isometric dot sheet we can represent the cuboid with the proper dimensions in proportionality. Now this cuboid only, just I am representing it in isometric dot paper. Let's go for it. See here children, this is the isometric dot paper. In this isometric dot paper we can represent the isometric sketch easily. See here, this cuboid only, just I am representing in this isometric sketch of a cuboid. This is isometric dot paper. Here each line, the distance between each dot will represent 1 centimeter. We have to take height like this and breadth like this. Okay children, height you have to take diagonally like this and breadth you have to take like this and height you have to take diagonally like this. Just don't take it like this, you have to take like this. Okay, and length you have to take like this. Here just I am representing the cuboid of length 5 centimeters, breadth 3 centimeters and height 1 centimeter. Here just first how we have to take the length? 5 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct? And then breadth 1, 2, 3. First we have to form a rectangle and then height. What is the height? 1 centimeter of height, correct? And here just you have to form another rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct? This is a cuboid. This is a cuboid of length 5 centimeters, breadth 3 centimeters and height 1 centimeter. In isometric dot paper, you can represent any cuboid or cube with proper dimensions and proper appearance also like that only. Here length 5 centimeters, breadth 3 centimeter, height 1 centimeters. Just I am telling length how we will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that I took, and height 1, 2 like that, and breadth 1, 2, 3 like that we have to take. Just move on to the next exercise. In this exercise, they will give some isometric paper oblique sketches. We have to write the isometric sketches for them in isometric dot paper. Use isometric dot paper and make an isometric sketch for each of the given space. Here they have given oblique sketches. We have to write. We have to sketch the isometric sketches for them. See here they have given one oblique sketch that is looks like a cuboid with length 6 centimeters, breadth 2 centimeters and height as breadth 3 centimeter and it has 2 centimeters. Just how to represent that one in this isometric dot paper I will show you. What is the length? Length is 6 centimeters, breadth is 3 centimeters and height is 2 centimeters. Just we have to write that one first. we have to join 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. After that, breadth 3 centimeters. Breadth 1, 1, 2, 3. Correct. Here I form one rectangle. Correct. Length equals to 6. Breadth equals to 3 units. And then height. Height. What is height? 2 units. This is the cuboid. Otherwise, the general format only now represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can do like this also. This is one rectangle. This is one rectangle. This is the left side. This is the right side. And top and bottom. L equals to 6. B equals to 3. H equals to 2. Correct? This is the isometric representation for the given problem. And then just next question. See here children, here they have given like that, base 2 units, here base 2 units, and they didn't give any unit, just we have to diagonally 2, and then base 1, height is one side 3 and left side is 2. That you have to plot in this isometric graph sheet. How they give? Base 1, correct? And then height as 2 units, correct? And then here one box we have to do first. Whatever there in the oblique sketch, that we have to write in this sketch. Okay? Here one unit, here 3, here 2, correct? Here 2, here we are taking 2 units, here 3 units. So here, this is the isometric sketch for the given oblique sketch. And then next question. Second question. Second. See here children, there cubes and cuboid. One cuboid is there, upon that one cube is there, that we have to represent. Here just horizontally they have given, just I am representing it vertically. Base 8 is there, correct? And then 3 cubes are there, and upon that just one cube is there, that we have to represent. First 8, and then here 3, correct? Here 2, 8, 3, 2, correct? And here One cube you have to place upon these. Here 2. You have to use scale. 2, 2, 2, 2. Here 3. See here, this one will be the isometric sketch for the given oblique sketch. Base is 8, cube 2, 2, 2, 2, and here 3 centimeters we have taken to form a cuboid. And here 3, 3, 2, 2. Fourth one you can do, just do it as homework. The dimensions. The dimensions of a cuboid are 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 2 centimeter. Draw the different isometric sketch for this cuboid. The dimensions of a cuboid are 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Draw 3 different isometric sketches of cuboid. Isometric sketches of this cuboid. Just they are asking, we have to draw 3 different sketches of cuboid with these dimensions 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters, but only one if you do andre it is enough. How they will give the dimensions means first length, next breadth and then height. First length and then breadth and then height of the cuboid. Here how just we have to draw this cuboid on a isometric dot paper. This is 5 centimeters, height is 2 centimeters and breadth is 3 centimeters. This we have to draw it on isometric dot paper. See here that the dimensions length equals to 5 centimeters, breadth equals to 3 centimeters, height equals to 2 centimeters. We have to draw now cuboid. First 5 centimeters length you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then breadth is 3 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And height we have to, this is one rectangle, height we have to take now, don't take like this, we have to take like this. LH equals to 2 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, height, breadth, and then here also we have to take height like this. This is the cuboid. This is the cuboid. Otherwise, generally how we will do, like that also we can do. This is the required cuboid. Isometric sketch for the required dimensions. Here how we draw? Just L equals to 5 centimeters, B equals to 3 centimeters and H equals to 2 centimeters. Next question. Three cubes each with 2 centimeters edge. 3 cubes each with 2 centimeter edge are placed side by side to form a cuboid. Sketch an oblique or isometric of this cuboid. Sketch an oblique or isometric sketch for this cuboid. Here what they are telling, they have three cubes of 2 centimeters of edges are placed side by side. What they are telling, one cube is there, three cubes are there with 2 centimeters of edge. They are placing them side by side. They are placing them side by side. They are placing them side by side. Just we have to draw these sketch on isometric dot paper or oblique sketch. Just I am doing here isometric. How to draw these side by side cubes on isometric dot paper, I will show now. See here children, this is isometric dot paper. Here what they are telling, we have to represent 2 centimeters of each edge cube. Firstly we have to draw 2 centimeters of each edge cuboid. That is first. All sides are equal. Height is also equal. Correct? First length. Height is 2. Breadth is 2. Length is 2. Height is 2. That first I have drawn a this is a 2 centimeters. Each edge is of 2 centimeters. Correct? We have to place 3 cubes side by side in this isometric dot paper. Next, place 3 cubes side by side. Correct? For that just we have to take first length here 2 centimeters and then here 2 centimeters. For these just I am doing another cube. This is another cube. See here children, this is one cube of 2 centimeters edges, and this is one cube and this is one cube. I have placed these three cubes side by side. This is one cube and this is second cube and this is third cube. These all are having 2 centimeters of edges, and side by side we are placing them. Fourth question. Make an oblique sketch for each one of the given isometric shapes. Here they have given some oblique sketches, correct? Here they have given some oblique sketches. We have to represent. Here they have given some isometric sketches. We have to draw them on oblique form, that is in graph paper. Just I am drawing them in graph paper, otherwise you can draw them on a squared paper also. See the children, the left side it has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left side 6 units they have taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then diagonally, that means height, they have taken 4 units. And then here they have taken 2. Correct? And then one cube they are forming there. Correct? And then here height they have taken as 4. Here 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. Correct? This one will be the oblique sketch for the given isometric sketch. For that isometric sketch, this one will be the oblique sketch. And then second one. For that one cube is there. For that one cube is there. For that one cuboid is there. Upon that 2 triangles and 2 rectangles are there, that we are going to represent on this graph sheet. See here. Height is 4 centimeters. Just what is there on that oblique sketch we have to represent here. No need to maintain the dimensions, because in oblique sketch there is no necessity to draw them with the proper dimensions. See here one cuboid I have placed with the proper dimensions that they have given. This I mentioned like that only, 4, 4, 4, 4 like that. But this we can't do like that. That's why simply I traced this one like this. This one is the oblique sketch for the second isometric sketch that they have given. See here children, give an oblique sketch and isometric sketch of the given dimensions. First one, they are asking us to draw a cuboid of dimensions 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters. B. A cube with an edge 4 centimeters long. 4 centimeters long. Here they are asking us to draw the isometric sketch for the cuboid and cube. Just I will do cuboid. I will draw these on that isometric sheet, and this one you have to do as homework. Cube you have to do it as homework. What they are giving the dimensions of a cuboid? L equals to 5 centimeters. They are giving the dimension like this: 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters. How I told you children, how we have to take these dimensions? This one you have to take it as L, this one B, and this one H. That only have to write here 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters breadth, height 2 centimeters. Correct? Here the base what we have to take? Length. Length of the cuboid is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the height is, sorry, first breadth. Breadth is 3 centimeters. 1, 2, 3. Just form from rectangle first. See here, height we have to take 2 centimeters. Breadth we have, length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. Breadth is 3 centimeters and height is 2 centimeters. 1, 2. Correct? Breadth we have to take now. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 5. 6. See, this one is a cuboid with dimensions 5 centimeters length, breadth 3 centimeters and height 2 centimeters. If we have to draw the cube with 4 centimeters means just we have to take 4 centimeters on we have to take the 4 centimeter sketch first. That means first we have to form one cube and then you have to draw the, I will show first. For cube 1, what they are asking, for every edge of the cube is 4 centimeters. 1, first I am taking breadth. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each the distance between each dot I am considering as 1 unit. First I am forming one square. By seeing that one you can't tell that is not a square because here this is the small distance. This also I am considering as 1 unit. This also I am considering as 1 unit. And then like this we have to take 4. Height also we have to take 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here. See here, this one will be the cube. This is the cube of 4 centimeters length, 4 centimeter height and 4 centimeter breadth. 4 centimeter breadth. Okay children, I hope you understand. Thank you.